Imagine for a moment that something as simple as a handful of peanuts could directly influence the speed of your cellular aging. It seems impossible, almost like a nutritional urban legend. Yet modern science is beginning to reveal a fascinating connection between regular peanut consumption and the preservation of telomeres, those tiny protective caps at the ends of our DNA that act as an internal biological clock. Every time a cell divides, telomeres shorten, and when they become too short, the cell loses its ability to replicate, a process directly linked to aging and the risk of chronic diseases. Now, the big question is, could something so common, inexpensive, and present in daily snacks truly affect longevity at a cellular level? Get ready, because the evidence we're about to explore could completely change the way you look at a simple peanut. To understand why peanuts may be more powerful than they seem, we need to dive into the fascinating world of telomeres. Imagine telomeres as the plastic tips of shoelaces. They protect genetic material from wearing out or getting scrambled during cell replication. The longer and healthier the telomeres, the more efficient cell renewal becomes, and the greater our ability to fight the signs of aging and diseases such as cancer, diabetes, and cardiovascular conditions. Scientific studies, including research published in high-impact journals like the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition and the Journal of Nutrition, show that people who regularly consume nuts, including peanuts, tend to have longer telomeres. Why? A combination of antioxidants, mononucleation fatty acids, magnesium, folate, and bioactive compounds combat oxidative stress and inflammation, two major threats to DNA integrity. But what makes peanuts special compared to other nuts? First, they are technically legumes, which means they offer a unique nutritional profile. They are rich in resveratrol, the same antioxidant found in red wine, and arginine, an amino acid that helps produce nitric oxide, improving blood circulation and reducing inflammatory markers. Additionally, they contain vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant known to protect cells from oxidative damage that accelerates telomere shortening. In population studies, such as the Nurses' Health Study and the Health Professionals Follow-Up Study, participants who consistently ate peanuts showed lower overall mortality risk, regardless of other lifestyle factors. This is not just a statistical coincidence. The biochemistry of peanuts provides a plausible explanation for their direct influence on the biology of aging. Now, imagine the practical impact of this in your daily life. Instead of expensive supplements or futuristic treatments, you have access to a simple solution, available in any supermarket, with decades of proven safety. A handful, about 30 grams, is enough to deliver a powerful dose of polyphenols, high-quality proteins, and healthy fats that not only sustain energy levels but also protect your cells. Telomere science shows that it's not just about adding years to your life, but adding life to your years, preserving vitality, cognitive capacity, and physical strength. Every time you open a pack of peanuts or spread a spoonful of natural peanut butter on your bread, you may unknowingly be sending a signal to your DNA to resist the natural wear of time. Of course, no longevity story is complete without balance. Eating peanuts is not a magic wand and will not offset harmful habits like sleepless nights, a sedentary lifestyle, or ultra-processed diets. But as part of a lifestyle that includes regular sleep, strength exercises, and a diet rich in vegetables and fiber, peanuts act as a catalyst. A study published in the Journal of the American College of Nutrition showed that participants who regularly ate peanuts had lower levels of C-reactive protein, a key marker of systemic inflammation that accelerates telomere shortening. In other words, each handful can serve as a microshield against the silent factors that steal years of life. It's also interesting to note that the way peanuts are consumed matters. Unsalted roasted peanuts retain their antioxidants better, while natural peanut butter maintains the same properties as long as it contains no added sugars or hydrogenated oils. Even the thin skin covering the peanut's a reddish layer that many discard is rich in phenolic compounds that provide extra protection against oxidative stress. So, the magic of telomeres lies not just in quantity, but in quality and in how you incorporate this food into your routine. Think of it as a daily investment, almost imperceptible, yet cumulative. Just as every cell in your body senses the choices you make from the number of steps you take each day to the stress you carry, each handful of peanuts is a reminder that small decisions can have profound effects over decades. The beauty of this discovery is that it returns the power of longevity to your hands, without requiring miraculous products or unattainable interventions. In a world where many seek complex solutions, the answer may be hidden in a simple, inexpensive, and deliciously crunchy snack. As telomere research advances, peanuts become a perfect example of how nutrition and genetics can meet to create an accessible longevity strategy. Scientists are already investigating whether other compounds found in legumes and nuts can further enhance this effect. And each new discovery reinforces the idea that aging well depends not only on genetic inheritance but on conscious choices you make every day. So, next time you grab a handful of peanuts, remember, you're not just satisfying hunger, you may be nourishing the youth of your cells. The challenge I leave you with is simple, yet powerful. Adopt this habit for 30 days. Include a handful of natural peanuts in your daily routine, combined with a balanced lifestyle, and watch how small changes can create big transformations. Don't expect overnight miracles. The true magic of telomeres is silent, gradual, and long. And in the future, when you look back, you may realize that this seemingly small decision was one of the smartest steps you took to live longer, with more energy and vitality. Because, in the end, longevity isn't about living forever, it's about living better. And perhaps the key lies right there in the palm of your hand, in a simple handful of peanuts.